Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, June 10th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, we had one big day on Friday, and today things just kind of drifted. There was some kind of mediocre news out on the jobs front today, and I think the market was just taking a rest and not too much was happening. It was up a little bit at the beginning of the day, and then it came back, and then it got up just a little in the middle of the day, and it ended up closing down 9 points. Just not much that we can say about the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Unfortunately, we came in with about $5,000 in open trade equity, and it was a little disappointing. That just kind of evaporated ever so slowly throughout the day. We ended up closing out down $700 or something. Now, closing down $700 is no big deal, but it kind of hurts when you started out up $5,000-$6,000. But anyway, that's the way it went. We did manage to put together enough positive trades that we're holding, I think, close to $4,000 in open trade equity. So we'll just have to see what happens with that. I wouldn't call it a losing day. I just call it a kind of boring and slightly disappointing day. Anyway, let's take a look at. Okay, here we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average again, and you can see the nice big move we had on Friday. And today it started out like it might start following through. We were up, I don't know, maybe we were up 40 points there. I can't remember for sure. But anyway, it didn't hold at all. Pulled back, went negative, then went positive, then just kind of went into its green caterpillar mode and ended up closing down 9. Not too much we can say about that. I'll show you a couple trades. One is good, one is bad. This is our old friend CSIQ, Canadian Solar, and we jumped into this 30 minutes into the day, and it did go against us at first, but then it really started. Look at this nice big climb, and that took us up to over $4,000 in open trade equity on CSIQ. That definitely was the strong trade of the day for us. Now, normally, at least what I've seen in the past, when Canadian Solar makes a move, Solar City also tends to make a move. I've got to show you what happened in Solar City. It is a little disappointing. Yeah, here we go. We got into Solar City about an hour into the day, and it just kind of topped out where we got in, and then it sold off, and we end up what Canadian Solar gave us, Solar City took away about 3/4 of it, and so we're holding this trade overnight. So those are the two trades, the best trade of the day and the worst trade of the day. We'll just have to see how it goes. Anyway, we are positive in open trade equity, and this is Trader Bob. I'm signing off, and I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.